Okay. Oh no.
The stand's popcorn is for $1.99.
Popcorn for sale, sexy ladies. What is this coffin doing here, mister? I need to sell more popcorn right now. What is that? Rest in peace, Jessie Burgley? She is dead?
Yes. She fell to earth not alive. The other 3 died too.
Never mind. Popcorn, 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 popcorn for $1.99, please.
Why I leave coffin here?
Corn now arriving in flight.
Mwahahahahaha. Now Thomas and everyone else will pay for saying I am rest in peace. There's fresh popcorn made by our sponsor Thomas Wagewasser.
Popcorn, 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 corn, popcorn.
I'm bored. Shutting off.
I need peps, not popcorn.
Ring, 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 ring. Wake up, wake up. Ring, 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 ring. Wake up, wake up. Ring, 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 ring. Wake up, wake up. Ring, 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 ring. Wake up, wake up.
Don't you ever dare spill cola on me again, you goblin, and if real man is here he would be fired.
Hey, Niall, with two M's.
I made ham dish with garlic oil Sprite now for breakfast.
I'm finally awake and alert. Now I need my lasagna dish.
Nice day, you know what the? This is an emergency. A ghost on the left wing is destroying the plane.
Thanks for watching the first part of Airplane Story. Here's a short clip of us eating in this Chinese restaurant.